Well, Mr. Baloney, Cactus Jack said you enjoyed the last devotion, so after I got done with my errands, I thought I'd come back and read you another one.
Oh man, I didn't say I enjoyed that. I just said I was bored.
That sounds like an affirmative to me. Devotion 56.
Oh no!
After the slaughter at the hands of the Philistines, a messenger came running back into the camp and gave Eli all the bad news. When Eli heard that the ark of God had been taken, he fell backward off of his stool, broke his neck, and died. But as if things were not bad enough, the wife of Phinehas, one of Eli's sons that had just died, was at that moment greatly pregnant, and when she heard all of the bad news, she went into labor and died shortly after having given birth. But just before she died, she named the child, and his name had a very significant meaning. 1 Samuel 4:21. And she named the child Ichabod, saying the glory is departed from Israel, because the ark of God was taken, and because of her father-in-law and her husband. Ichabod, the glory is departed. She gave him the name because the ark of God was taken. But you see, the ark of God, while the most sacred piece of furniture Israel had ever been given, was not actually the glory of God. It was just the place where the glory of God visibly rested. The real glory of God was in all that he had done for his people and in the close relationship that they once had with him. And that had been gone for a very long time. Do realize that the real glory of God for us, his people, will never be in symbols or in structures. Our glory will forever be in having a close walk with the God who has saved us. If we maintain that, no other loss can ever take the glory from us.
Sheriff, is this part of me punishment?
Well, I suppose I could read Little Bunnies Down by the Brook.
Oh, no, never mind. Sheriff, the devotional is fine.
Let's see. Once upon a time in a small brook on a beautiful sunny day, there lived a baby bunny named Snuffles.
Mercy!